Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool to share all kinds of content. Winning slides use everything: text, photos, charts, videos, and more. But text is the key ingredient that truly forms the backbone of your presentations. It's key to get it right. Fortunately, it's easy to transform text and fonts into something special. Hi, I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus. I'm a presentation pro, and I'm here to show you how to add text to PowerPoint and make amazing text effects. With PowerPoint text effects, your slides are sure to stand out. The best way to begin is with a premium template from Envato Elements. Elements is an online content resource with an unbeatable offer: unlimited downloads. You can download and use as many PowerPoint presentation templates as you want, all for one flat monthly rate. Plus, Elements includes millions of other creative assets. You'll enjoy music, stock photos, and most important here, fonts. These pair beautifully with your favorite PowerPoint slides. Explore Envato Elements today, and don't forget to subscribe to Envato Tuts Plus for more great videos like this. For this tutorial, we'll use the stunning carbon PowerPoint presentation template from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded and open in PowerPoint here, and it's time to get to work. When you use a premium template, the basic design work is handled for you. As you can see, slides like this one have text already in place. Keep in mind, these words are just placeholders. You can drop your own text into their place to make each slide truly your own. To start adding text, click on a text box to select it, as you're seeing me do here. Then select the contents inside. You'll see them shaded in blue. Now, simply begin typing. The placeholder words vanish, replaced with your own. This same step works throughout any premium template. Just swap out the existing text for your words, and you're well on the way to a stunning slide deck of your own. But what happens if you want to add text, but don't have a placeholder in the right spot? You can always add your own text boxes. To do that, find a blank spot on a slide like this one. Then come up here to the Insert tab. You'll find it on PowerPoint's ribbon, the list of options and menus across the top of the PPT screen. Click on the text box button, and now you can insert a text box anywhere you choose. Find an open spot, then click and drag with your cursor. You'll see a text box appear. Choose the right size, and then you can type using your keyboard. As you can see, it's easy to add your own text to any slide in PowerPoint. You've just added custom text to PowerPoint, but your design journey is only just beginning. Now it's time to add styles and effects to your text. Begin by selecting the contents of a text box again. Then go back to PowerPoint's ribbon and click on the Home tab. Over here on the left, you'll see the font group. This is really the control center for font design in PowerPoint, and it's packed with options. With many options to choose from, here's where you can add font effects. For example, you can add bolds, italics, and underlines. Plus, you can add sleek styles like shadows and highlights. Then, don't forget to explore other features like the ability to change font colors, character spacing, and much more. When you think about text formats in PowerPoint, think of these as complementary features. You don't have to use just one. Instead, try out new and creative combinations. For example, you can make text bold by clicking here. Then you can open up the highlight menu to change the text shading. Be creative. The options are limitless here. Now, let's look at built-in text options in PowerPoint. These save you the time of devising creative designs on your own. Select text again and come up here to the Shape Format tab, found as usual on the ribbon. Here on the right, find the Word Art Styles menu. Click the More dropdown and you'll see a gallery pane launch. Word Art is a 3D style for text that's included with PowerPoint. Choose from any one of these designs and click on a thumbnail to apply the effect. Finally, you can add more pre-built effects. These sit on the Text Effects dropdown menu, found right beside the Word Art gallery. Here, you can choose font effects like shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, and more. I'll browse through the captions as you're seeing me do here. Again, whenever you see an effect that you like, just click on it to apply the design. But what if you want to add custom text effects? Easy. Select some text like this. Then right-click and choose Format Text Effects. A sidebar will launch here on the right with a plethora of options. For example, you can choose new and creative text fills. I'll add a pattern design by clicking on one of these thumbnails. On this tab, you can add fun designs like shadows, glows, and more. These add 3D effects to your favorite text designs in PowerPoint, giving them creative and unforgettable styles. Let's work through some of these options, choosing new effects. PowerPoint is packed with features that make text styling a breeze. As you can see, it's easy to add and style text in PowerPoint. Begin with a premium Envato Elements template. With thousands of options to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect design. And don't forget to explore the vast library of custom fonts on Elements. Download your favorites now. Then style them with PowerPoint's robust design features. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find many more tutorials like this. Plus, the channel includes courses, content roundups, and so much more. Don't miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks for joining me.